step into the Jeep 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Sport S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth low-back bucket seats, gross vehicle weight, 5,400 pounds, premium black Sunrider soft top, engine, 2.0 Li 4DOHCD turbo torque included, gross vehicle weight, 5,400 pounds delete alternator 700 amp maintenance-free battery supplemental heater 48V bell starter generator, quick order package 28S Sport S included, engine 2.0 Li 4DOHCDI turbo e-torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, front one touchdown power windows remote keyless entry speed sensitive power locks leather-wrapped steering wheel power heated mirrors automatic headlamps sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors security alarm, anti-spin differential rear axle included, Bridgestone brand tires